what do we have here? I smell putty. Back up, boom, boom goes the jammy by the waistline, while I get high with a cutie by the wayside, looking like a black Zach Morris, the flyest one at Bayside High. And every time I pass, girls cry, I'm an asshole. Devil with the horns, I'm a fly guy. Have it your way like Burger King, small fry guys get fried. When they step to my minions, offensive, slick shit come up in the ditch, missing at ease. You and your team, something like Batty Boys. Gay, we make pay like Sean Battier. Run it, come and find you, they said he ran that away. The lawman told me to put the damn gat away. It ain't my fault these silk niggas get shocked in rhymes their pops, but really Anne Hathaway. Hey, it's like that, y'all. I got a TUS baseball bat, this is the batting cage. Engine number 9 on the Sacktown Transit line. If my train falls off the track, then I'll explode in the gas as I'm striking a match. It goes boom, goes the jammy from the waistline, while I roll a L in the studio and we don't ever waste time. I chase my digits, my rhymes are frigid, exquisite, and hoes they know I'm always on some slick shit. I'm wicked, young and I'm black and I'm gifted. When I kick it, it straight leaves hoes dripping. I be like, can I hit it? They say yes you can. Other niggas don't understand, I'm the motherfucking man. Peace to Japan, I ain't really mean to do that. Fuck shit up, they call me Hurricane. Who that? Who that dare to try to challenge my crew? That's stupid as fuck, but yo, you niggas knew that. I do that. Anything else, you niggas lose that. The attitude, all of that hate, or get you bruised black. Move fast.